Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Make me move. You can make me move.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be my first 2018 video. I hope you guys are having a really good start. Happy 2018 guys. Year 2017 was a really good year for me because I happened to achieve a lot of things on that year, and I hope it gets better and better. So for you guys. So for today I'm going to do an eyebrow tutorial because it has been my most requested recently. When it comes to eyebrow, there are a few tips and techniques that you have to know, but I wouldn't say that you really have to follow it. It's just about being able to know what shape that you like or what shape that suits your face. I've been doing my eyebrows for a very long time, so I know what I'm doing, and I hope that you guys will find it helpful. And at the end of the day, it's just a makeup, so you just want to have fun, okay? So yeah, with that being said, let's get ahead and get started with our video today. Okay, so before starting, I just want to talk a little bit about my eyebrows. I wouldn't claim them as thick eyebrows, but they are not thin as well. But I do have some spar areas like here. As you can see, it's very obvious, and if you look closely you can see that my two eyebrows are not similar. This eyebrow is a bit slanted like that, whereas this one is a bit raised out. So doing eyebrows when it comes to makeup is my least favorite part because it takes such a time for me, and because like right now since I've been doing a lot of makeup on other faces as well, I can instantly see the difference in the eyebrows if it's not matching with each other. So that's the exact problem that I have, because my eyebrows are so different, and take my word, everyone's eyebrows is different. So there are a few techniques that you have to know when it comes to eyebrow. Just to let you guys know, whenever you want to have that guideline for your eyebrows, just from the side of your nose, take something as a guideline, take it straight from the side of your nose, and then just put it straight there, and wherever it goes, and the point right there is your starting point of your eyebrows. And similarly, if you take the same, look straight in the mirror, and when the ball of your eye or lens of your eyes, you take the end of that lens like that, and that is exactly where your curve should be. And also for the ending part, go right at the outer corner of your eyes and drag it down like that, and that's your ending point. So that's the 3-point guideline for your eyebrows. So yeah, just to start off, I'm gonna take pencil which is brow width from ABH, and it looks like that. Spoolie that comes with the eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna brush it off like that. If you have a very thick eyebrow, you can use a soap. What you can do is you can take a soap, add a little bit of water, you don't need much, and then what you can do is take your spoolie, just slide in the soap, and then whatever comes in the brush, just lightly brush it off like that and let it dry for a while. That's how drag use their eyebrows to even hide it or conceal it, or even to make it very precise one. So yeah, I'm just filling in the spar area first so that I can have a rough idea of what my eyebrow shape is going to be. Lightly stroke it upwards towards the growth of your hair. Hair goes down, so you might want to take your pencil downwards But next I'm going to brush my hair downward like that in order to fill the parts under my hair. So I'm going downwards this time. When you brush your hair back like that, you can already see the difference. It's much more fuller looking. After I have filled my sparse areas, what I like to do next is right from the center of my lash, on the bottom of my lash, I like to draw a clean line. And then I like to drag it down my brow bone and take that shape as a guideline. So next I'm going to build the arch of my eyebrow. So you might want to go very light, start with a very little product, and then you can just build it up instead of going very harsh and then you have to clean it up later. Arch it like that, then just drag it down. When it comes to front section, I want to keep it very light so that you have that ombre kind of effect instead of having that harsh boxy kind of eyebrow. So as you can see, I'm lightly stroking it upwards and just blend it with this pulley like so. I'm going to take my Benefit KABROW and it's in shade 5. So I'm going to take my ABH eyebrow brush and I'm just going to saturate some product in the brush. Whenever you're using product like this, which is gel kind of product, you might want to keep it upside down like that until you're done using it, because it will really help your product from drying quicker. So that's a little bit of tip there. So what's good about this product is that it is very pigmented and it has that wax consistency, so it will really help your eyebrow shape to stay longer and it will maintain it, and it does not smudge or anything like that. So yeah, that's why I like to use this. I'm going to take a little bit of my MAC Select Cover Up. You can use anything like from your concealer, your foundation. You don't have to use this product. And then I'm going to take this small brush and then I'm going to clean everything out. I'm just gonna take brush like that and then I'm gonna drag that product downward. Next I'm going to do this side of my eyebrow. It's the same process but it's a little bit difficult for me because I have lots of sparse areas on this side. So I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow and then start filling it. So that's about it, guys, with my two eyebrows on. The last step that I like to do is set my eyebrows. So I'm going to use my ABH clear brow gel. I'm going to lightly run through the brows. It's going to remove a little bit of product, but it's going to smooth out all the products together and also set that brow in place, keeping your brows snatched. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. The eyebrows are on flick. Like I said before, there isn't any specific way of doing it. You just have to experiment and know the right shape for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please let me know what other videos that you would like to see from me. So with that being said, I would like to sign off for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. This better be good. I want to keep it like